All right, now what is this top thing? It's the first thing you see here. It's called missions. Now the missions, notice there's 20 different missions. Each mission has a star in it. We currently have 0 stars. What our goal is to go through the missions and gain as many points as we can. So let's choose mission 7. In mission 7, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things that pop up. You got to watch a video. You got to watch the video. At the end of the video, you got to answer some questions. Those questions, if you get them right, you'll get points, and that will help towards your total. Next, you have to play the rhythm game. Notice, you can get up to 3 stars playing the rhythm game. Then, you have to record a tune, in this case, Hot Cross Buns. Fourth thing is play another level of the rhythm game. And then the last thing is record another tune. Now, each mission is different, and they'll have a variety of different things. For example, mission 10 has a couple levels of the pitch game you got to play. So your goal is to go through every mission, play every aspect, game or tune, record a tune, or watch a video and get through all 20 missions and gain as many points as you can. So this is a Band Blast app. This is going to be a perfect app for beginning band and orchestra musicians of any age.